I got him. By the light. I got him. I got him. Up like a deuce, another runner in the night. I got him. By the light. I got him. I got him. Up like a deuce, another runner in the night.
I see you hater, my motivator. Y'all make me greater.
I'm thinking about pulling Ruby out and test fit my wheels on Ruby because Southern Chevy TV is supposed to be coming to get Ruby today, later on today. So thinking about doing a little test fit. We had talked about it, me and Southern Chevy TV. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Take you back here where the wheels at. Some 26-inch Ruccis. That's the rear one. That's the front. The other two right there. Yeah, I think I'd do that. At least I have another video for my YouTube fam. Let me uncover it, pull it outside, and you're gonna see what it look like. Alright, I gotta pull it out. I got some of my tools, what I need. Jack, of course, jack stands, and my impact. It's just a test fit here, just to show y'all how it look with the factory setup. Because I got Cadillac springs on my front, so my front sit up higher than his, and I got air shocks. And he don't have air shocks or heavy duty springs. So we're gonna test fit it and see what it look like. Guess I'm gonna put the camera down somewhere right here. A little problem. Some of his lug nuts have a big lip on it and they won't fit up in the grooves of my wheels. So I had grabbed the lug nuts that came with the wheels from Damien, but they ain't catching the studs because the studs ain't long enough. So I guess I'm gonna take a lug nut off the front and put it on the back. Take this off and put it on the back so it'll catch the studs, just for the test fit. Man, you can see with the factory suspension, see how it's squatting? There's no cut, no nothing. It's just factory ride height. Guess we move on up to the front now. Cheap jack, so I gotta be real careful. I got my jack stands in place. I just gotta take 3 more lug nuts off and I have the front off. But you can see how the front jacked up, how it squatted the back even more. Alright, I got the front wheel on, but I having the same problem as the back, as the steers not being long enough. But the back, I could start it because it's not deep like this front. And this lug nut here, it kept falling through the socket because it don't have a lip like that. See that lip, keep it out on the outside. So I had to use these, and these ain't catching like they should. So I'm not gonna bring the car all the way down. It's still supported by the jack some. But I just wanted to show it to you before I take them back off. Just wanted to show you can fit 26s with no cuts. As long as you get them made for the car. The only problems you're gonna run into is the steers not being long enough. Looks like Ruby finna go bye-bye. Finna head on back to Mississippi. Southern Chevy TV done came up here to pick up. Finna go and load up on the trailer.
Southern Chevy TV.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.